Hi everyone, Marco here. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, I am taking you with me to a peaceful place. I am at the beach during a beautiful afternoon, and I am walking along the shore while the sun is going down. This is a calm moment, and it is perfect for practicing simple English in real time. So, relax, listen slowly, and enjoy this walk with me. Before we begin, here are some key words for today's walk. Shore, the place where the water meets the sand. Breeze, a soft and light wind. Horizon, the line where the sky meets the sea. Footsteps, the marks your feet make when you walk. Waves, moving water in the ocean. Seagull, a white bird that lives near the sea. Driftwood, wood that the ocean pushes onto the beach. Sand, tiny grains that cover the beach. I'm standing at the entrance of the beach, and the afternoon light feels warm on my face. The sun is slowly moving down in the sky, and the colors are soft and beautiful. The sand in front of me looks smooth and golden, and I feel calm even before I take my first step. I start walking slowly toward the open space. The sand under my feet feels warm and gentle, and it moves a little with each step I take. My feet sink just a bit into the soft surface, and this makes every step feel relaxed and natural. I like this moment already. I continue walking, and I listen to the sound of the ocean in front of me. The waves come forward, touch the sand, and then move back again. The movement is constant and peaceful, and it makes me feel present and quiet inside. I look up for a second and see the wide sky above me. It has light orange and pink colors that slowly change as the sun goes down. A soft breeze touches my arms and moves the small hairs on my skin. The air feels clean, fresh, and salty, and I take a long breath. I enjoy this simple feeling. I am walking at an easy pace, and I am not rushing for anything. I just want to enjoy the moment. Now I move closer to the shore. The sand here is a little cooler because it is near the water. When I step on it, it feels firm and smooth under my feet. A small wave reaches my toes. The water is cool, but not too cold. It feels refreshing, and I smile because I like this contrast between the warm sand and the cool water. I keep walking, and I look at the horizon in front of me. The line is clear and wide, and the sun is shining with a soft glow. The sea reflects the colors of the sky, and the light moves gently on the surface of the water. Everything looks calm and simple, like a natural painting. As I continue my walk, I hear a group of seagulls in the distance. Their sounds come from above, and when I look up, I see several white and gray birds flying slowly in the open sky. Some are gliding smoothly, and others are flapping their wings in an easy rhythm. Their presence adds life to the quiet beach, and I enjoy watching them for a moment before I continue walking. The sand under my feet changes again as the tide moves. Sometimes it feels soft, sometimes firm, and sometimes a bit wet. These changes make the walk interesting and pleasant. I feel more connected to the place with every step I take. After a few more steps, I see a small piece of driftwood near the water. I walk toward it and pick it up. It feels dry and light in my hand. I look at its shape and texture, and I wonder how long it traveled in the ocean before arriving here. After a moment, I place it gently back on the sand and continue walking. The breeze becomes a little stronger now, and it moves some strands of my hair. I breathe in again and enjoy the fresh, salty air. The waves continue their steady movement, and the color of the sky becomes deeper as the sun moves lower. A little further down the beach, I see some seagulls standing near the shore. One of them is walking slowly with small steps. Another one is looking at the water as if it is waiting for something. I watch them quietly, and I enjoy how simple and peaceful their movement is. When I walk past them, one seagull looks at me for a moment and then turns its head back toward the ocean. I keep walking, and now the beach feels even quieter. There are no loud sounds, only the soft wind, the moving water, and the distant birds. I feel relaxed, and my body feels light with each step I take. The sun is lower now, and the colors in the sky become more intense. There's orange, pink, and a soft purple color that mixes smoothly across the horizon. The water reflects these colors, and it creates a warm and beautiful scene. I stop walking for a moment just to enjoy the view. While I am standing still, I feel the wet sand under my feet. It is cool and smooth, and I like the sensation. I close my eyes for a short moment and listen to the sounds around me. The gentle wind, the slow rhythm of the waves, and the distant calls of the seagulls create a peaceful atmosphere. I feel present, calm, and connected to this quiet place. I open my eyes again and continue walking. This time, I move a little away from the water toward the dry sand. My feet sink deeper into the soft area, and the warm surface makes my steps feel comfortable again. I walk with a slow and steady pace, enjoying the balance between the warm, dry sand and the cool, wet sand I felt earlier. As I walk farther down the beach, I see a small crab moving across the sand. It walks fast and in a funny zigzag pattern. I stop so I do not disturb it. The crab quickly disappears into a small hole near a rock. I smile because the moment is simple and a little amusing. I continue walking until I reach a group of large rocks. They are smooth and dark from the afternoon light. I touch one of them with my hand, and it feels cool. I decide to sit down on the sand next to the rocks. The sand here is warm from the sun, and it feels comfortable under my legs. I stretch my feet forward and let them sink into the sand. I move my toes and feel the different textures again. The breeze continues to move gently around me. 2 seagulls fly past me, and I watch them move together in the colorful sky. Their wings look soft against the warm light. I take one long breath, enjoying this quiet and peaceful moment. After a short rest, I stand up again and brush some sand off my legs. I start walking back toward the entrance of the beach. The sun is almost gone now, and the sky becomes darker, but still beautiful. My footsteps make soft marks in the sand again, and I listen to the steady sound of the ocean behind me. Before I leave the beach, I hear one last distant call from a seagull, and it makes me smile. This simple walk with its calm sounds and warm colors feels perfect. Today, I walked along the beach during a quiet afternoon. The sand felt warm, the water felt cool, and the sky had beautiful colors. I saw seagulls, a small crab, and pieces of driftwood. I enjoyed the fresh air, the calm waves, and the peaceful atmosphere. It was a simple and relaxing walk, and it helped me feel calm and present. Repeat after me. I am walking along the beach now. I am walking along the beach now. The sand feels warm under my feet. The sand feels warm under my feet. The water touches my toes gently. The water touches my toes gently. The sky has soft orange colors. The sky has soft orange colors. I see seagulls flying above me. I see seagulls flying above me. A light breeze moves my hair. A light breeze moves my hair. The waves are calm and steady. The waves are calm and steady. I am breathing slowly and deeply. I am breathing slowly and deeply. The beach feels quiet and peaceful. The beach feels quiet and peaceful. I enjoy this simple moment. I enjoy this simple moment. Thank you so much for listening and walking with me today. I hope this calm moment helped you practice English in a simple and relaxed way. Question for you. Do you prefer the beach in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening? Tell me in the comments. I read everything. See you in the next episode. The